cartoon characters with the help of basic shapes. You will take one shape, any shape you want to take, you can. I'm taking this one. The fill color will be change. I will change the fill color and I will close the stroke. Right? Control T to transform your object, and then when you will right click on it, on the dot, you will get more options. So I am taking wrap option and I am going to do some changes in it. Here you have dots. With the help of the dot, you can change the shape style. Click on this, yes, and then you can move it. Right? Now the second thing I want to draw over here, the eye. For the eye, I'm taking circle. The one circle I have taken and the stroke will be closed and the background will be black. Same thing for the art, control J, same duplicate I will, and then control T to transform. I will change the size of my circle quite little and then I will change the color of my circle, right? And sorry. Then again control J to duplicate, again control T to transform, and now I will change the size of my circle and the color of my circle, that will be black, and then okay, then move your object from here to here, right? You will select these all three layers and then control T and then change the size of your eye and then move your eye from here to here, right? And control J for duplicate your layers, and then you can move your eye from here to here, right? Now the next will be that you will take one more layer for the nose. So simply I am taking a rectangular and I am making the nose of the cartoon. Up to you, you can take different color, orange, red, whatever. I am taking black, right? And then the mouth I want to draw, so I will take new layer again, and I'm drawing this. You can change the color of this fill and close the stroke, right? And again you can do that control J, duplicate, control T to transform and change the size of the circle, and then you can also change the color of your shape. It's a bit darker I'm taking. Okay, move tool and then you can move your fine. Now I want to design the hair. I want to create the hairstyle, so then I'm taking this one. Sorry, I forgot to take a new layer. You will take new layer, right? You can take the circle or up to you, whatever you want to take. I'm taking this one, the back color, and the one more circle over there, and I'm taking one rectangular for that, and then I'm drawing this. And then the these three layers you can merge, and then you can, up to you, then you can merge it and then you can select and then you can move, up to you. Oh, the hair is not set, so you will take Control T. Fine. Enter. And now you want to draw the body, so you can do that. You can draw the body as well. Same thing, you will take the stroke will be closed. Color will be changed. Control T. Wrap. You can change the body shape. Fine. Uh, okay. One more thing I want to do this one. This is taking this, change color. Send this shape to back. Color is 5. Now you can design the set color. Control J. Control J. Now you will make hands. Let me make the foot first, then we'll make hands. Change this color. Let me take the black. Control J. Move. Move these layers down. Control J.